So here's what we're going to do for the next 10 minutes. I want you to feel this incredible feeling that will set you up for success for the rest of your day. We're going to start with a breathwork exercise. It's going to help you calm down your nervous system. Then we're going to go into an intention-setting exercise. And then last but not least, I'm going to take you through some visualizations to really solidify that intention. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. So many of us wake up in a state of stress. Our body is still revved up from the fight or flight response that happened the night before, maybe from a dream that we had. So first things first, let's bring our awareness to our breath, because our breath is always there for us. In fact, it's the most powerful tool to shift our state. Right now, I want you to take a deep breath in through the nose, hold it for 5 seconds, and then exhale out through the mouth. As you inhale, notice how the belly expands. That's right. Your diaphragm expanding, squeezing the organs like a sponge and taking in all the oxygen. And then hold it for 5 seconds. Hold it for 5 seconds and then exhale out through the mouth, letting everything go, and then repeat the cycle. Keep doing this until you feel your body relaxing, your mind quieting down. And if you find yourself distracted, just gently bring your awareness back to your breath. I know this may feel weird at first, but the more you practice this, the easier it will get. Oh, and by the way, I'm recording this at 6 a.m. The sun isn't even up yet, so I'm going off of natural light. But hey, don't be jealous. You can do this anytime during the day. This breathwork technique is a powerful tool to calm down your nervous system. So make sure to write this down, save it somewhere, and come back to this when you need it. Okay, so we did that for about 4 rounds, and I hope that helped you relax. Now that you're in a more relaxed state, it's time to set an intention for the day. You see, we have the power to choose how we respond to situations. Remember, you are the author of your own story. And when you set an intention, it's like setting a course for your ship. Without it, you're just floating around aimlessly, not to mention the benefits of intention setting. It helps you focus, align your actions, and achieve your goals. Plus, it gives you a sense of clarity and direction. And guess what? Science backs it up. Studies show that setting intentions activates the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making and goal-oriented behavior. So let's dive in. Bring your awareness to your heart and ask yourself, what do I want to experience today? Maybe you want to feel more joy, peace, abundance, or prosperity in your life. Whatever it is, get really clear on it. For example, let's say you want to attract more abundance. You might say something like, I am abundant, money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Or if you're looking for more joy in your life, you could say, I am joyful. I radiate happiness and I attract joyful experiences. It's important to be positive and use present tense language as if it's already happening. That's key. But wait, there's more. Don't just keep it inside. Write it down on a piece of paper. Why? Because when you put pen to paper, you're activating the part of your brain that controls memory and concentration. It's like a GPS guiding you towards your destination. But it doesn't stop there. There's a bonus tip, and that is to read your intention out loud. By doing so, you create a powerful energetic signature that sets the tone for the day. Plus, it reinforces the neural pathways related to your intention. It's like programming your mind and your subconscious to operate on your frequency. And now that you've set your intention, it's time to infuse it with even more energy. Get ready, because we're about to dive into visualization. Just like setting an intention, visualization is a powerful tool backed by science. Studies show that our brain cannot differentiate between a real experience and one that we vividly visualize. So why not use this to our advantage? Visualization helps align our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with our goals, increasing our chances of achieving them. It's like creating a mental blueprint that guides us towards success. Imagine it like this. You're standing at the edge of a cliff and you can see 2 paths in front of you. One path is filled with obstacles, distractions, and potential setbacks. It's a bumpy road that might leave you feeling overwhelmed and demotivated. The other path? Ah, that one's a sight to behold. It winds its way through a lush forest, over a sparkling river, and up a gentle hill. As you walk along this path, you feel energized, focused, and motivated. Which path would you rather take? Exactly. That's where visualization comes in. It's like choosing to walk down the second path. It allows you to mentally rehearse the journey towards your goals, anticipating challenges and developing strategies to overcome them. With this mental preparation, you'll be better equipped to stay on track and achieve your desired outcome. So let's embark on this journey together. I'll guide you through a visualization exercise that will amplify your intention for the day. Take a moment to close your eyes and imagine yourself successfully completing a task that aligns with your intention. Picture the details, the emotions, and the sense of accomplishment. Now open your eyes and write down 3 key points from your vision. What did you see? How did you feel? What were the specific actions you took? By articulating these points, you're solidifying your vision and creating a roadmap for your subconscious mind to follow. You're like a captain steering a ship towards a desired destination. But instead of relying solely on intuition or chance, you now have a clear map to guide you. But remember, this is your unique journey. Customize it to fit your goals and aspirations. And as you continue to set daily intentions and visualize your desired outcomes, you'll witness the remarkable transformation in your life. The universe will conspire to support you as you confidently stride towards your dreams. Okay, let's dive into the visualization. I want you to picture yourself walking along a beautiful sandy beach. The sun is shining, the waves are crashing, and you feel completely at peace. As you continue your walk, you notice a majestic ship anchored in the distance. It's a symbol of your potential and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Now I want you to take a deep breath in and imagine yourself stepping onto the ship. As you climb aboard, you're greeted by a warm and inviting crew who are there to support and guide you on your journey. They represent the people in your life who uplift and inspire you to be the best version of yourself. As you settle into your seat, you notice a compass on the table in front of you. It's an ancient tool used for navigation, but it holds a special meaning for you today. This compass represents your intuition. It's a reminder to trust your gut feelings and inner guidance as you navigate the ups and downs of life. The ship begins to move forward, breaking through any obstacles in its path with ease. These obstacles represent the challenges and setbacks you may face, but you remain undeterred. You know that with the support of the crew and the guidance of your intuition, you can overcome anything. As the ship sails smoothly through the waters, you feel a sense of calm and confidence wash over you. You realize that you are exactly where you need to be, moving in the direction of your dreams and aspirations. With each passing moment, you feel more aligned with your true self, embracing the journey ahead with gratitude and excitement. This is your moment to set sail and explore the vast ocean of possibilities that await you. Trust in the power of your intuition and the support of those around you. Embrace the journey and allow your ship to carry you towards your dreams and aspirations. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the visualization exercise. Take a moment to appreciate the journey you've just embarked upon. Remember the feeling of being guided by your intuition and supported by those around you. Carry that feeling with you as you navigate the rest of your day. Trust in your abilities and the limitless potential that lies within you. Use this momentum to set new intentions, visualize your goals, and continue to embrace the journey towards your dreams. If you found value in today's session, hit that subscribe button and join our community. We've got more transformative content coming your way. Until next time, keep setting intentions, trusting your intuition, and sailing towards your dreams.